All right, so today I want to talk about ffmpeg. It is a tool that I have a love-hate relationship with. I love what it can do. However, I hate trying to figure out how to get it to do anything. That said, when it comes to silence detection, it's got an incredible filter that can help you identify periods of silence, for example, in a video file. So if I come over to Audacity here, I've got a short sample video file I can just drag in. You can see right here, got about 2 seconds of silence. And so it might be nice to identify these periods. So I could do something like snip out part of the silence to reduce it down to maybe 1 second or half of a second. And so to do that, over at the command line, I can use ffmpeg, pass in an input here with my MP4 file, and then I specify an audio filter -AF, and this one is called silence detect. It has some parameters, for example, N, which is a threshold, and I'll set this to -40 dB. So that's the noise level. Anything above that threshold will be considered to be talking. Anything below that will be considered to be silence. And of course, I need to also specify a duration, and I'll put this to 0.5 seconds. So basically, I need to have silence for half of a second before it'll be identified. And of course, I need to tell ffmpeg I don't want to perform any conversions to write out any files. And then once I do that, toward the end here, you can see their silence start at 8.9 seconds, and it ends at 9.67 seconds. Then the next one starts at 10.1. So what I could do here, go over to Audacity, look at the region I selected here. In Audacity, it shows you the selection is from 10.13 to 11.93. And that almost exactly matches what we found here with ffmpeg at 10.10 and 11.98. Of course, I could pick a different period here, select that. This one is from about 13 to 14.1, and that matches the next period here, 13 to 14.1. And so now if I want to clean this up a bit here, I could redirect the standard error to standard out, and I could filter that, look for silence underscore, grab just the metadata about silence periods. And now I could parse this. I could use a script to go through this and split up the original video into smaller chunks and then stitch them back together without so much silence.